So international cricket returns to Sabina Park with the start of the ODI International Series between the West Indies and Sri Lanka. And it should be competitive. After all, it's number 7, West Indies, playing number 9, Sri Lanka. And without a box office star, guess what the West Indies board and the players will be hoping for? Is that people are just hungry for cricket and will turn out and fill the park. But again though, it's a function of how far down from the lofty heights West Indies cricket has fallen. And of course, the West Indies selectors not helping the cause by selecting just one Jamaican in left-handed batsman John Campbell. In the know, notorious 6-1, half dozen the other selection policy. We wish them well though, because deep down, we still love West Indies cricket. Yes, make them win the first match and see, you are going full. Yo, you're not going cricket, you're not going cricket, me go cricket, go we go cricket.